What is up, YouTube? This is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater, and I am out here unboxing, and also we are going to do the installation on this 82-inch 8K TV. This is the 900R. This is one of the best TVs on the market. Go ahead and start by unboxing it, and we'll get it fired up and show you guys what the picture looks like. If you're not already one of our subscribers, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below. Give me a big thumbs up.
Hang on now.
It's okay. Yeah, so this is a big box, guys. You definitely need a couple people at least to get this into the house. It's a monster. All right. So first thing you're going to see in the accessory pack is your fiber optic, one connect cable. This is awesome because it's one connection and it goes back to the box. So you don't have to have power for the television separate from power for the Connect One box like the older generations. It's just one power cable that goes into the One Connect box.
It's over there.
And this thing is huge, super heavy. This is the brains of the system. What's great is you can upgrade this over time as Samsung releases updates. But with an 8K TV, you're gonna be good for a while. Check this bad boy out. This is your brain. Has all your connections, power, you got an antenna, your link, optical, LAN, HDMI 1 through 4. Typically these are on the back of a TV, not with the Samsungs. They have this external box here, and this is the One Connect. So basically, you have this one cable right here, which is gonna plug in down here, and then this guy will plug into the television. And there is a remote included, as well as batteries. This is what the remote looks like. Same one they use on a lot of their TVs. And then included in here, there are some spacers. This is for the wall mount. This goes into the 4 keyholes there. All right, let's take a look at the TV. The fun part. Now this particular model does come with the Samsung wall mount kit included. This was in the box, and you'll get this with your purchase. Guess I'll open it up, show you guys. Let's see what's in here. Okay, so it looks like there's a mounting template. Always nice. Make your life a little bit easier. I've actually never installed the 82-inch version before. It looks like there's 2 different mounting brackets that it hangs on. Should be pretty interesting to mount this guy. Have to line it up with the studs. Pretty cool. Secondary bracket. Oh, that's cool. Looks like they have a leveling screw too. See that? That's nice. In case you don't get it perfectly level, especially since there's 2 different pieces, that could be very helpful. Interesting. So this is very similar to the design that they use on the no gap wall mount on the Samsung frame TVs. Same principle here. So I'm guessing if we go to the back side of the TV, you'll see that there's actually some indentions. We probably pop off a couple plastic pieces. Let's take a look. Yup. Yeah, see right here, guys? All right, pop this guy off, and it just insets here. I think. I'll have to read the directions. But yep, just like that. So what's nice is it gives you that super flush finish. It's like not even like a 1/4 inch probably off the wall. That'll look really clean. Okay. They also include the instruction guide, which can be pretty helpful. And then these are shims. I've had to use these before. Basically, if the TV ends up sitting off the wall a little bit at the top, you can stick these to the bottom to like level it out. You got a little Allen key, and my guess is it's for this guy right here so that you can adjust it once it's up on the wall. They include the screws, drywall anchors, or masonry anchors, but we're gonna go into the studs for sure. Highly recommend it. All right, so next thing we're gonna do is pop this guy out of the box and fire it up. All right, guys, check it out. They got it up here on the wall. It's looking sharp. We are not finished in this room right now. We're gonna have to come back and put the center speaker in here as well as the subwoofer, hook everything up with the universal remote, but I just wanted to show you this television. Check it out. This is the 8K QLED from Samsung. So what's really great about this TV, guys, is it is super bright. In a situation like this is an open concept theater room. Check it out. So they have a ton of ambient light coming from these windows over here. This is very common in a lot of newer homes with these huge open concept floor plans, and these QLEDs perform really well. Super, super bright panels. All right, so let's get it set up. First thing you're going to see is basically a walkthrough. It's going to take you through step by step, help you configure to your Samsung account, as well as set your apps up and everything like that, your Wi-Fi. It's pretty much dummy proof. Just click right through. Now, let me show you what it looks like on the wall. This did have that dual mounted plate right there. I'm not sure if you can see it, but apparently the guys told me it was pretty tough to install. I wanted to show you guys the installation, but I had to go out on another project. But you can see there's a plate right there, and then another plate over here. You see? Put my phone back there. Check it out. Looks pretty good. Nice and slim, very close to the wall. It's a good look. I like it. All right, guys, I got the TV set up, and you can see I have the Peru 8K demo on here. This really showcases the true potential of the system. Absolute incredible clarity, super bright. The full color spectrum is just popping. Check it out. A room like this is absolutely perfect, especially because it is open to the game room, and there's a lot of ambient light in the daytime. Look how rich and vibrant the colors are. Alrighty, guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this demo and quick review of the Samsung 82-inch Q900R. If you liked it, give me a big old thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below. If you'd like to purchase, give me a call, shoot me an email. We'll be happy to hook you up. Until next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.